Welcome to Aspire Education. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also, our app is available to download on App Store. Who was the first Prime Minister of Canada? Justin Trudeau. Sir Isaac Brock. Vincent Massey. Sir John A. Macdonald. Answer is Sir John A. Macdonald. In what industry do most Canadians work? Tourism. Service. Manufacturing. Natural resources. Service. Give an example of how you can show responsibility by participating in your community. Mind your own business. Keep your property tidy. Volunteer. Volunteer. In which region do more than half the people in Canada live? Central Canada. Atlantic Canada. Prairies. Northern Canada. Central Canada. What are the three parts of Parliament? The Sovereign, Governor-General and Prime Minister. The House of Commons, the Legislative Assembly and the Senate. The Queen, the Legislative Assembly and the Senate. The Sovereign, the House of Commons and the Senate. The Sovereign, the House of Commons and the Senate. What did the Fathers of Confederation do? They worked together to establish a new country, the Dominion of Canada. They were explorers who formed an expedition to survey northern Canada. They formed a republic state in Canada. They were a group of politicians that tried to unite Canada to the United States. They worked together to establish a new country, the Dominion of Canada. What does the Canadian flag look like? Red and white with provincial emblems. Red and white with a beaver. White with a red border on each end and a red maple leaf in the center. Red with a white maple leaf. White with a red border on each end and a red maple leaf in the center. What is the government of all of Canada called? National Assembly. Federal. Legislature. Council. Federal. What is the largest religious affiliation in Canada? Catholic. Muslim. Jewish. Hindu. Catholic. Who are the Acadians? Aboriginal people of the Arctic. French-speaking Catholics living in Ontario. The descendants of French colonists who began settling in what are now the Maritime Provinces in 1604. English-speaking refugees who settled in Louisiana. The descendants of French colonists who began settling in what are now the Maritime Provinces in 1604. By the Queen. By the voters. By other cabinet ministers. By the Prime Minister. By the Prime Minister. What do you call a law before it is passed? A proposed law. A bill. A new proposal. A bill. What did the Canadian Pacific Railway symbolize? Easy access to the West Coast. Unity. What can be achieved by working together? New railway. Unity. What is a major river in Quebec? Fraser River. Niagara. Hudson's Bay. When is Canada Day and what does it celebrate? June 15 of each year to celebrate the anniversary of Confederation. August 8 of each year to celebrate the joining of British Columbia to Confederation. We celebrate the anniversary of Confederation July 1 of each year. May 21 of each year to remember Queen Victoria. We celebrate the anniversary of Confederation July 1 of each year. What do Canadians normally wear on Remembrance Day? A green shirt. White poppy. A red poppy. Maple leaf. A red poppy. Why is the Battle of Vimy Ridge important? It was a key position of the German line in northern Spain. Canadian Corps secured its reputation for valor and bravery. It was the hinge of the German line as it protected the newly constructed Hindenburg Line. Once Canadians fought at Vimy, they knew they would be heading home. Canadian Corps secured its reputation for valor and bravery. What will you promise when you take the oath of citizenship? Pledge allegiance to the Queen, observe the laws of Canada and fulfill the duties of a Canadian. Pledge to be faithful to the Queen. Promise to observe the laws of Canada. Fulfill duties as a Canadian citizen. Pledge allegiance to the Queen, observe the laws of Canada and fulfill the duties of a Canadian. How many citizens of Canada served in the Second World War? 2 million. 5 million. Which of the following is the highest court of Canada? A provincial court. Municipal court. The federal court. The Supreme Court. The Supreme Court.